We're going to have eggs in a nest for breakfast. So I don't know if you can see this or not, but okay, we take a piece of bread and a cookie cutter. You cut the center out. That's a shamrock. And here's a heart.
You can use a glass.
You can use a glass if you don't have a cookie cutter handy. But you keep the little pieces. Then we're going to crack an egg, put it inside, and fry them in unsalted butter. Flip them over, fry them both sides, and we're going to have eggs in a basket for breakfast. Low sodium. Are you ready to see this? Here you go.
Took 10 minutes.
About 10 minutes to cook. And we got wonderful breakfast. Really good. Easy to make. I like easy.
Eggs in a nest.
Eggs in a nest.